Hey guys, welcome back. In this bit, we'll discuss about the history of the language and the basics. And now, here C++ is an procedural and an object-oriented programming language. We'll talk more on this in the upcoming bits. So now, on to the history. It was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup in early 1980s. Yeah, he's the guy right there. He combined Simula 67, which was another programming language, with C language, and brought us C with classes, which he later termed it as C++ on 1983. Yep, that's the part on history. Next up, it's C++ character set. So character set is a set of valid characters that a language can recognize. So C++ can recognize, you need not worry, a wide range of characters ranging from alphabets, digits, special characters, formatting characters too. So guys, we have started to build the foundation. Adding to that is C++ tokens. These are basically just the smallest element of a C++ program which is meaningful to the compiler. It consists of identifiers, keywords, literals, operators, and punctuators. Here, identifiers are basically names given to a variable or any object. There are certain rules for naming a name. A name can contain any alphabets, but a name can't start with a number. It can't recognize blank spaces or any other special characters, but underscore is an exception. Now on to keywords. These are predefined words which have their own special meaning. They cannot be used as names. Example: break, delete, do, switch, void, else, and etc. As the course goes on, we'll learn more on keywords. On to literals. These are elements of a program whose value can't be modified during program execution. They are also termed as constants. I'll elaborate more on this in just a minute. Operators. Yeah, this is a little wider topic, so yeah, I'll explain it after this mind map. On to punctuators. Punctuators are used to separate tokens from one another. We have brackets, parenthesis, comma, semicolon, star operator, equal to, and the hash symbol. Yep, on literals. Examples are 163, C, 0.2, dog. Now here, 163 is an integer constant. C, denoted by single quotes, is a character constant. 0.2 is a floating constant. It doesn't mean it's floating. Float here denotes decimal numbers. Any word written in double quotes is a string literal. Next up, operators. You need to listen very carefully here. In this expression, the addition sign is the operator. 15 and 20 here are the operands. Since the addition needs two operands, the plus sign is a binary operator. The example of binary operators are most of the mathematical symbols. And next up, we'll face with assignment operators. These are used when you want to increase the value of a variable by some number. Here, a plus equal to 2 means a is equal to a plus 2. That means the new value of a is increased by 2. Yeah, I know it is mathematically incorrect, but this is how it is done here. Following it, we have our unary operators. These use single operands to finish its job. They are increment and decrement operators. We have two types, prefix and postfix operators. Here, prefix means the plus symbol comes before the variable. In postfix, it comes after the variable. It's the same for decrement operators too. In prefix operators, variable increases its value by 1 and then stores the increased value in x. In postfix operation, the value of a is stored in y and then only a increases its value by 1. For example, let's take a is equal to 2. In prefix operation, x is equal to plus a. Here, you just need to understand two lines. First, a increases by 1 and then only x stores the value of a. So a increases by 1, so 3. So x stores the value of a, that is 3. So x and a both have the value 3. In postfix operation, it's just the opposite. First, y stores the value of a and then only a increases its value by 1. So since y stores the initial value of a, that is 2, and then a increases its value by 1, so a will be having the value 3. At last anyways, a has the value 3. But the procedure in which it takes place is different. That's why the value of x and y doesn't match. Following it, we have our relational operators. Yeah, such basic things, less than, equal to, greater than. Just take a note of it and we'll move on. Now, logical operators are much more interesting. They are used to check conditions. For example, execute this function if the expression satisfies this and that condition or satisfies this or that condition. An exclamatory mark is used as not equal to here. Yeah guys, we just wrapped up this session. Trust me, this might seem like a lot, but it will all make sense once you code. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next bit.